When you get into one of these groups, there's only a couple ways you can get out. One is death, the other is mental institutions.
fly box high. Everybody else. Chase is passed out. Let's go see what he's up to.
Yeah, what's he
There's a leader, man. Go see what he's up to.
What were you just wearing?
This is my truck right here. You know, MTV Cribs. That's probably one of my trucks. Yeah. You know, I got my fucking you know, wind chimes and shit, man. Like my fucking wind chimes, dude. And you know, I got like my stairs, dude. Watch your step. There's a whole lot of them. I got my ashtray with all my cigarettes. But look at these cigarette butts. Nobody got them like that. I do, man. Nobody got them like I do, man. You know how I do. Look at Jeff. I got this guy with a stick on a fucking on my porch.
I just raked the house eventually.
Beating off all the on the damn porch. Mama just chased him off with a broom, but it's all good. But you know, I got my guy raking the house, man. I got my Chase right here. You know, he's asleep and all, but you know I got my Chase right here.
Too, man.
Gotta rake him up, man. You know, rake that motherfucker.
He brings a lot of dirt, Lee.
He brings a lot of dirt up in
this
his
is only
house.
natural.
But you know, he's awake now, so we could say what's up. Chase, say something, man. What do you gotta say, dude?
West Side.
What? No. Hey, Chase, look.
West Side.
Look, Chase, man, you gotta say something, dude. Say something. Give a shout out, man. Chase. Yeah, dude. Give a shout out,
drink
dude.
some water
Give
for the
shout
fucking
out.
shout out.
Yes. You know, like it's our usual fucking, you know, hangout night here. You know, we got some beer, a beer pong. Still fucking raking though. Do I need to block it? Oh shit.
That was it.
Oh shit. Redemption! Wish you know about that.